Question number 4. Which physical quantity becomes a scalar when multiplied by itself? Which means what? Force into force. If I take force into force, will this become a vector or a scalar? This definitely becomes a vector. Though this has no origin, no point of using this, but still, okay, this becomes a vector. F into F. Okay, it's a force over here, right? And velocity. Now, what happened to velocity? Velocity dot velocity has a meaning. Okay, if you multiply this by a scalar. Okay, so becomes a scalar. So which becomes a v square. If I multiply this by a half into m, so what will become? Half mv square becomes energy. So half mv square, okay, will become a scalar. When does this happen? Which physical quantity becomes a vector? Scalar when multiplied by itself. You are going to multiply these two together, and thus it becomes a scalar. So B becomes a right answer over here. So whereas here F into F, S into S, A into A has no meanings over here. So this is the only thing which is actually meaningful, which turns into a vector. Okay, when the two vectors, which turns into a scalar when two vectors are multiplied by itself.